Alright guys, so we're going to be replacing now the actual light for a dome light, which is replacing it with the 44mm. And pretty much the way you're going to work on this is first make sure it's off, okay? You don't want to work with it while it's on. Push it in, turn it off, and even though I'm telling you work with it off, when you start to pry in here, it'll actually turn it on and off multiple times. So just try to work as fast as possible. And I don't know if the camera can catch this, but there's actually an indentation right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to get either something smaller than this, so less wider, and try to pry it in here, and it pops out just like that. So this whole thing doesn't come off, so you can just leave it there hanging. And at this point, make sure you if this is your first time, you might have taken a couple times to get it off. Make sure you test that your light still works. Okay, if everything still checks out, then at that point remove it. You just pry it out just like that. Get out. Okay, and these are already canvas compatible, all right? So these should not flicker or cause you any errors when you pop them in, okay? So put that back in there. And simple as this. And there's also a trick to getting this one in, okay? So I'll turn this out so you can actually see what I'm doing. You want to get this little tab right here to kind of get through this edge. It's kind of hard, but if you can do that sideways, and at the same time you're going to be pushing back, okay? And it goes in, okay? And that's pretty much it.
Thank you for tuning in to the Lasfit YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment box below. To see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned, we have more to come.